Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So this is a part of Azure 104 certification. Today in this video we'll learn about object replication topic. So in that we'll learn about how to create resource group, how to create two storage account, and then on that two storage account we'll upload the data. Once the data is uploaded, then we'll create a object replication rule. That means the data on one storage account will get synchronized in another storage account. Then we'll check the redundancy of our region. That means if we have backup in one region, then what is the another region that we have failover region? And last, we'll check manual failover. So without any delay, let's get started. So first, we'll create two storage account to check the object replication. So here I don't have resource group, so we'll create new one. So this is my storage name, strg replication primary. So my first storage account is created. Let's go and create another account. This is my secondary account from where the data will get replicated to this account. So my both storage account are ready, which is primary and secondary. So now let's go and put some files over there. So I have uploaded one image on the primary storage account. So this image need to come on the secondary storage account. So before that, we have to apply implementation rule. So let's go and create object replication rule. So under data management, there is object replication. So going to the secondary account from images. We haven't created any container on the secondary account. That's why it's not coming up here. So let's go and create a container on the secondary storage account. So now let's go back to the rule. So we are creating replication rule from primary account to the secondary account where we have uploaded the image in primary account. So that image will get replicated to the secondary storage account. So this is the rule about. So our rule is created. So now it's time to check whether the image from primary storage account get replicated to the secondary storage account or not. So let's wait for a few moments. Let's refresh and see if the image has come through. Still not. Let's refresh one more time. So it still hasn't come through. So let's go and check the object replication rule one more time. So here the source is primary, destination is secondary, container images to images. So everything is right. However, we need to change one more thing. Here we upload the image before creating the rule, but here it says it's gonna only apply to the new object. So let's go and change this one. Everything. So save and apply. So now it should replicate the image from primary to secondary. This is happened because we upload the image before creating the rule. So now let's go to the secondary storage account and let's see whether the images has come through or not. Let's wait few more seconds. Let's refresh now again and see whether the image has come through or not. And here the image is already here. So let's see whether this is the same image file or not. So here edit. So we got this image here. We go to the primary one. And the image on primary storage account and the image on secondary storage account are same. So this is how we do the object replication. That means if we put any data or file in one primary storage account, then it get auto replicated to the secondary storage account with the help of object replication rule. Now we'll check the redundancy in the our Azure portal. So under data management, there is a data redundancy. So here what it means is if we have data in Australian East, that's our primary data center. If something happened to our data center, then it get transferred to the secondary region, that's the secondary data center, that's Australia Southeast. So we have backup on both data center. Here we can do a manual failover as well, but this is disabled right now. That's because we have done the object replication rule. So to do prepare for failover, we have to delete the rules that we just created before. So our object replication rules has been deleted. So let's go on data redundancy again. So here we can do the prepare for failover now. So here what it means is if something happened to this data center, then it will pass to the secondary data center and we'll get the copies from here. So there is an automatic backup here. So we can also do manual failover. So here we do this because for unplanned failover, if an outage renders the primary endpoint unavailable, you can initiate a failover to the secondary endpoint to rapidly restore the right access to your data. So if something happens to first data center, then we can get the data from secondary one. So click on failover. So here it will take some time. My failover is successful over here. So let's go and check it. So here we had two data center before. So now all the copies from previous data center has been transferred to the secondary data center and it has become primary one. So now we are having same setting as before where we have Australia Southeast as a primary data center and Australia East as a secondary data center. So that's it for today. So in this video, we learned how to do a object replication and how to do a manual failover. I will see you in another part. Thank you.